Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is very pink, as you can see from my face, and obviously from the title it is Barbie. I used to have only a couple of Barbies when I was younger. I mainly had more model horses and toy horses because I'm horse obsessed. I still am, and I am quite happy to tell you that. But yeah, I did have a couple of Barbies and dolls, but not many. But obviously with makeup, you can have fun with it, so I decided to do Barbie, and especially when I did get this wig, I was very inspired by it. It looks like Barbie hair, and obviously I'm not blonde, so I thought this was so much fun. The look I was inspired by of Barbie I will put on the screen right now, and I just thought this was a classic look, so if you want to see how I did this, then carry on watching. So this is my finished Barbie inspired look. As you can see, it's very pink. It's a lot of blusher, which I never normally wear, but I think with blonde hair it actually looks really, really good. And I think the eyeshadow is actually one of my favourites I've done. I'm slowly learning to like a pink eyeshadow, and I think this is quite an easy way to wear it. Obviously you don't have to go as high as I have done, but I hope you liked this look, and if you did, please get a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another. Bye!